Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this eye-catching sport event poster in a Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel, as it really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I can close this project already. So as you can see, I already added the three different images to the three different pages, and I also created a fourth page where I can merge all of the three images. But first we need to create the background. So I just click on the background, or just the empty Canva, go into the background color, scrolling down to the gradients. I just click on one of them and scrolling up and go to add the new color, and here I just modify this background to what I need. So first I change the second color to this green one, what I used. Of course, you can use any different color if you need, a bit more darker, and changing the order and going down to the style and select this circular gradient. As you can see now, I already have this circular gradient with this green and black. This is what I need. And just go into the copy style, click on the second page. Yes, it's not working again, so I go in here, copy, doing again, and doing the same for the first image also. Yes, and now we just need to remove the background for all three images. And I will do the same. I will use this image as a center one. So I'm going to the left side to the menu and choosing the apps and searching for image blender. As you know already, there's two different versions. This is a blend image, what I'm using for lots of designs, but now I'm using the image blender. So I click on the image blender, click on the image, linear, moving the strength to 0. Just try to set like this. Even the strength, and the strength has to be 0. So I just click on save. Go into the second one. Here it's selected and I cannot do anything unless I click on radial, click back to linear, and also strength to 0. Maybe a bit more, like this. This is the center, I think. Yeah, like this. So save. Doing the same with the third one, click on it, radial, linear, strength to 0, and moving down a bit. Yes, and save. So now it's ready. So I can copy the images. Just move it to the left. This one I moving to the right. Try to have the same height as the other one. And go into the first one. A bit higher, like this. As you can see, it's already the basic is already done. Maybe this one is not perfect with the legs. I can coming back to here. Like this. Shoot. Save. So from here, this image, I just deleting it. Copy, paste, bit higher. Yeah, looks a bit better. Yes. So the basic is done. I don't really like this portion when it's overlapping each other and you can see the one. I don't know why is it. This is not nice. Looks like a bit transparent and I don't like it. But what if a bit reduce the transparency of this image? Still overlapping. So this one was this one. Yeah. Maybe it was too dark, but the skin tone is maybe too dark and it's not so, but actually still good. I'm moving a bit to like this. Yeah, okay, it's good. It's better if I put even a bit bigger. So that's looking pretty good. We can play around with these small details. Actually, now this tutorial is how to create actually the background, how to blend in the image together with this background, and I think that this is the most important thing to understand how you can create what is the concept. Then you can play around with the small details, have to feeling it. So that's a really, we can do it. This is the basic concept how we can create the basic things. Then you can do it your own to checking the small details and adding your own wishes. That's a pretty nice, pretty good technique to do it for a basic for any. But even this, not even only for sports poster, you can also create for events, like for conferences with the main persons, or even for a big concerts, for a or movie, for everything you can use it. The only thing is you have to create all the persons separately with the same background, with the same settings, and just putting back to one, or merging the 3-4 images on one page. So that's a pretty amazing tool, pretty amazing technique to create some really eye-catching poster. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section to feed the algorithm. Plus, if you have any question, suggestion, please feel free to leave a comment. And if it's possible, I try to answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description where you can find links for my Facebook page, Instagram page, and TikTok page, where you can find a bunch of Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts, listed in my Facebook page. And in the TikTok and Instagram, you can find lots of short tutorials. As I mentioned already, you can find the links in the description. But now, this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.